Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all Facebook login devices. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first thing that we want to do here is we want to go ahead and open up Facebook. Now in our Facebook application, click on the profile icon in the lower right hand of your screen. Now from here, click on the settings and privacy, and from here you want to go to account center, so click on see more in account center, and from here you want to choose the option that says logging in with accounts, so that's under the connected experiences. Now from here, what we need to do next is we want to choose the account that we want to manage. Like for example, we have this Facebook account. Let's go ahead and choose this one, and from here just click on the see where you're logged in, and from here you should be able to see all the devices that your account is currently logged in. Now if you want to log out that specific device, or if you want to log out your account here from that specific device, click on that device, click on log out, and you'll be able to log out from that specific device. But yeah, so that's about it. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.